now it's called nature video. So let's see what we can maybe find. Let's see. Let's see. We can find like birds or something. Birds are easy to. Oh, there's some right in the tree. May as well tell. There's some right there by the tree. Oh wait, is that a turtle? Oh, it looks like a turtle, but maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, we heard a little splash. There is a little bit of turtles. Oh, wait. Looks like a duck. I hear something. Right there. Looks like a duck. Can't really see it, but see what else? Oh, more birds over there. Some birds over there. Oh, right there. I'm gonna go in here. See what we can find over here. Whoa, whoa. Oh wow, this tree is really that tall. Whoa. So far nothing. Let's see. Google. Keep going more this way. Huh? Let's see what else we can find. There is some flowers. Oh, some up there. Let's see. Well, let's go and check what's over here. See what's over here. There's a whole bunch of birds you can hear. Let's see. We can find over here. Maybe we might find a squirrel, maybe not. I don't know. Or a rabbit. Let's see. Can you hear that? Sounds like a little duck. Oh, it probably was a duck. We can't really see it, but we can hear it. Let's go this way. way up there. Okay, cool. Oh. Let's keep on going this way. There's like a little bit of ducks, but not a lot. I guess don't forget to subscribe to a comment. Like the video. The only thing out here